Good morning, students. Now let us start with the second exercise. First is completely over. In second exercise, I wrote the formula. Adjoint of A is nothing but transpose of the cofactor matrix. One concept. So inverse of the matrix, what is the formula? A inverse equal to 1 by root of A into Rj is the formula. By using these two concepts, this exercise actually. Listen here, already told you, whenever I send the video, immediately watch the video once or twice. Afterwards, complete the classwork and take a photo and send to me immediately. For example, your maths class at 2 to 4, you know, from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. From 2, exactly 2, I will send the video. You watch the video just half an hour or 1 hour. Immediately after 1 hour, you start the classwork. Before 4 o'clock, complete everything and send to me. This is a routine work. No excuse at all. Before 4 o'clock, you will complete the classwork and send to me. During that time, if you are having it out, you will ask. That is not a matter. Especially, allotted time for business message 2 to 4. Mind it? Now start with the first question. Find the adjoint of the matrix A. No? This is a question. Given A equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. With 2 cross 2 matrix A, that right answer. What I told you, Adj is asking no. Therefore, adjoint of A, short form is Adj is equal to. This is called cofactor matrix transpose. This is a formula. Now, with 2 cross 2 matrix, very simple concept. What is the first diagonal? 2 and 4. Interchange the elements 4 and 2. Am I right? 2, 4, you know, interchange. Next diagonal 3 and 4, no, change the sign. The sign whatever may be, change the sign. That is answer. That's all. With 2 plus 2 matrix means that right answer. This is easy for you. One more method is there. Cofactor 2, cofactor 3, then cofactor 1, cofactor 4. In this way, you will find one by one all the 4 elements. Then substitute the element, then take it transpose, they get the answer. That is the useful method. But in the DAC method, only 1, 2 hours, you know. That's why DAC right answer, write the formula clearly. In first diagonal, interchange the element. In next diagonal, change the sign only. 3 cross 3 minus mean, not this idea, some other idea. A lengthy conversation will come. But here 2 cross 2 being tag the answer. This is very useful for one more question also. First problem, that's all. Second question, if A equal to 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4, this is 3 cross 3 matrix, then verify that A into Rj is equal to determinant of A into I and also find A inverse. This is the question. Now, see what are the quantity involving Rj involving? Determinant of A also involving, no? First by determinant of A. Determinant of A means what? A already given. Determinant means put the determinant 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Am I right? Next step, 1 into the row column cancel. You get the element 4, 3, 3, 4. This is actually determinant. Suppose you are putting the bracket that is wrong. This is called determinant. Put side line. Next element, whatever may be change sign minus the row column cancel. We get 1, 3, 1, 4. Am I right? The last one is plus 3. Row column cancel. 1, 4, 1, 3. In this way, first like that. Next, 1 into cross multiply 4 4s are 16 minus 9. Found having one minus 3 is 9. Minus 3 into 1 4s are 4 minus 3. Now close the bracket. Now don't put the denominator. Plus 3 into 1 3s are 3 minus 4. Now 1 into 16 minus 7. This 1 3 into minus 4. Now 7 minus 3 minus 3. That is what? 7 minus 7. Determinant of A is what? 1. This is the first answer. Next you will find Adj. After find this and this, we get this answer. And also find A inverse also. This is the final question. Let the calculation is coming. To find Adj, no? Adj means Adj is equal to what formula? Aij power T is the formula. Already told you Adj is nothing but the reverse, the transpose of the cofactor matrix. The Aij represent cofraternalities. Poverty means transpose of the cofraternities. We have two methods are there. One method is the previous area, no? Minor cofrater. In this way, you will find one by one minor of one, say cofrater 1, cofrater 3, cofrater 3, cofrater 1, cofrater 4, cofrater 3, cofrater 1, cofrater 3, cofrater 4. In this way, you will find 9 times cofraternities after substitute element, then take it transpose, then it's called achieve. One method. But as easy method, listen here. What is the middlemost element? 4. Start with 4. 4. What next element? 3. In this second row, middlemost of 4, 4 and 3. Again start with 1, 4. In this figure. Middlemost element 4, start with 4. 4 next element 3. In this row, next element 1, again 4. Again next middlemost next element 3, no? Start with 3 here. 3, 4, here 1, 2. Again, start with 3 means 3, 4, 1, 2. Again here. 3, start with 3 here, middlemost number. Here 4, so 3, 1. In this way you want, right? The close of bracket, this is D, power T. Now cross product, we get answer immediately. Very simple concept. 4 4s are 16. Put the minus, immediately minus. 3 this are 3. Okay? First answer what? Use the space, next step. 3 1s are 3. 4s are 5. 3 1s are 3. Immediately minus. 4 4s are 4. Okay? 1 3s are 3. Minus. In the same way, immediately we get the answer. Next step. It's over. Again, actually, start with 3, no? Sorry, middle more 4, no? Again, we have 4, 3, 1, 4, 1. That's about it. Start with the middlemost number 4, 4, 3, 1, 4. Again, 3, 4, 1, 3. Again, 3, 3, 1, 3. Again, 4, 3, 1, 4. In this way, first start with 4, 3, 1, 4, no? End with 4, 3, 1, 4. Next, the same thing. Next, 3 is 9, minus 1. Next, 4 is 4, minus. Next, 1 is 3, minus. Consider first element, cross multiply, then next element. 3 is 9, 12. Here, 3 ones are 3, 3 minus. Am I right? 3 minus. 1 4s are 4, minus. Important, power T, that's important. Now simplify 7, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 1. This is power T1. Now only T represents transpose of the matrix. That means what? The first one is connected to first column. 7, minus 1, minus 1. The first one is connected to first column. Second one, no? Minus 3, 1, 0. Second column. Minus 3, 0. This is called adjoining. This is next part. This is easy method for you. You will find 1 by 1 9 elements means lengthy counts will come. This is very simple concept. From the question, you will start with the middlemost number. 4, 3, 1, 4, 8. Same thing. First one, second one, third one. Now simply cast multiply and simplify. Power T represents transpose of the given matrix. Row is connected to column, column into row. This is achieved. Second part over. Now only you find A into G. Multiply A into G. Is clear? So I have this one. Next start with the A into G. Now start with the A into G. Start with the A into G. Now LHS actually. A into that's the start question. A into G is the A matrix is already given. No? What is given? 1, 3, 3. Next 1, 4, 3. Next 1, 3, 4. This is A matrix. Into J is what? How do we find out? 7 minus 3 minus 3. Here minus 1, 1, 0. Last one minus 1, 0. Now multiply. In tension area, first row is connected to first column in this way. What I told you? First row with first column. First row, first column, no? 1 7 plus 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 3 into minus 3. Next, minus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Am I right? Second row, second column. Third, first row, third column. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Minus 3 plus 0 plus 2. Am I right? Next, second row, first column, 7 1 7, minus 4, minus 3. Next, minus 3 plus 4 plus 0. Next, minus 3 plus 0 plus 2. Next, 7 minus 3 minus 4. Again, minus 3 plus 3 plus 0. Last one, minus 3 plus 0 plus 4. Am I correct? First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. First row, first column means first, second, third, third. In this way, you want to multiply and add. Now simplify 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. Am I right? This can be as 1 into this one. Am I right? This can be as 1 into this one. Why you want this 1 into this one? 1 is already for the denominator of A. This is called what? I implement A. That is our. Therefore, what is answer? A into G is equal to divided by A into this. First part. Now what is asking? A inverse is asking the formula for A inverse equal to what formula? 1 by denominator of A into G is the formula. 1 by denominator of A is 1. How to find out? At G is what? How to find out? At G. 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. The 1 by 1 is what? 1. Need not write. 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0. This is answer. To find RJ, what easy method. In book actually, to find copata 1 by 1, that is lengthy columns will come, 2 pages will come. In bracket, you write the suitable element of the cross multiplication with that is a RJ. This is easy method for you. And also A was asking. That's all, discuss this out. Now third one, find the inverse of the following. First one is 1 minus 1 2 3. Let A equal to, first step, A equal to 1 minus 1 2 3. Inverse asking, write the formula. This is the formula. It's the formula, you know. The first step. Now in the formula involving denominator of A, what is the formula denominator of A means? 1 minus 1 2 3. Now next one, 1 3 is 3. Formula having minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, that's plus 2. Equal to 5. This is not equal to 0. That's important. Suppose if it is 0 means denominator of A is 0 means the formula involving denominator of A is denominator. Denominator 0 means 1 by 0, that is infinity will come. Suppose denominator of A equal to 0 will come in, inverse does not exist. That is the answer. Need not find at G. Am I right? Now at G, what is the formula? At G is equal to formula is Aij power T. What I told you? 2 cross 2 minus mean, what I told you? At G formula. The first diagonal interchange elements. 1 3 no 3 1. Next one is what? Only change the sign. The minus 1 becomes plus 1. The minus 2 becomes minus 2. This is at G. Now 1 becomes, what is the formula? A inverse is equal to 1 by denominator of A, that's 5. We got G is what? 3 1 minus 1. That is the answer. That's all. Similarly, next question, second question. One more question. 2 cross 2 comment is 3 1 3 1 minus 1. This is question. Now the same thing, let A equal to 3 1 1 minus 1. Inverse asking the same data formula. This is a formula. Okay. Now denominator of A equal to 3 1 minus 1 1. Am I right? Same thing only. Let it be A matrix. Write the formula clearly. First find denominator of A because formula involving denominator of A. Then at J, all substitute all the values in the given equation, given formula, that is answer. Now multiply 9 9 3 is 9. formula again minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, that is 10, not equal to 0. You want to mention clearly not equal to 0. If it is 0 means A inverse does not exist, that is answer. Now what is what? At J is equal to Aij power T is the formula. In first triangle 3, 3, the same one. Okay? But next triangle 1 minus 1 is wrong. Here minus 1, here plus 1 is 1. Therefore, 1 becomes A inverse equal to 1 by 10 into and J is what? This answer. That's all. With 2 cross 2 minus is a simple concept. With 3 cross 3 minus means lengthy calculation. That's all. Third question, third subdivision. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. Now inverse ask me now write the formula clearly. First write the formula clearly. This is a formula. In formula involved denominator is what 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. Okay? Now 1 into directly you want to expand. Easy for you. 1 into this row and the column cancel. 2 5s are 10 minus 0 into 4, 0. That's all. Middle most number 2, change side minus 2. Again, the row column cancel. Am I right? 0 into 5, 0 minus 4 into 0, 0. That's all. Plus 3 into again, the 3 row column cancel. 0 into 0, 0 minus 0. Am I right? That's right answer. Here, 1 into 10 minus 0 plus 0. That's 10. This is not equal. Now what I told you? Next time you want to find J. What's the formula? Aij power T is the formula. Now what I told you? Put the close bracket, because it's bracket. Middle most term is what? Here. 2, start with 2. 2, 4, 0. Am I correct? Next here. Middle number 0. 0, 5, again 0, 0. Next here. 2, 3, again 1, 2. Again the first one. In this way, you write the element sincerely. Poverty. Now easy for you. Class for it. 10 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. Again. 0 minus 10. 5 minus 5 minus 0. 0 minus 0. 8 minus 6. 0 minus 4. 2 minus 0. In this way, you want to expand after 10 transpose. Now simplify. Cross multiply. 10. 10 minus 0. Next set. 0 minus 0. 0, 0. Next set. 0 minus 10. Here. 5 minus 0. 0 minus 0. Next set. 8 minus 6. Am I correct? Now all have the same rule. Cross multiply. 2 4s are 8 minus 6. 3 zeros are 0 minus 4. Next set. 1 2s are 2 minus 0. This way, do the calculation quickly. 0 minus 4. Last one, 2 minus 0. The power T is important. Now simplify. 10 minus 10, 2. 0, 5 minus 4. 0, 0, 2, power T. Now, reciprocal no? 10, 0, 0. Minus 10, 5, 0. 2, minus 4, 2. Now, row is kind of column, no? Need not put 1 second, right? Need not write T, power T. Now, substitute all the value in the formula. A inverse to 1 by, remember to be already for 10. At J is here. 10 minus 10, 2. 0, 5 minus 4. 0, 0, 2. This is answer. That's all. Important for sometimes 3 mark, sometimes 5 mark question. 3 cross 3 matrix given means somewhat extra work actually. That's all. Third solution over. Now fourth subdivision also same method. Now A and B given. Verify that adjob AB equal to adjob B equal to. Now adjob AB asking that's why first explain AB. A is what? 2, 3, 1 minus 6. B is what? Minus 1, 4, 1 minus 2. Now, product of two matrices. First row, first column. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Second element, C second element. 3 1 2. 2 4 are 8. 3 into minus 1, minus 6. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 6 into minus 6. 1 into 4, 4. Minus 9 plus 6 to 12. Now 1 minus 7, 1, 16. This is AB. Now what is asking? Adjob AB is asking. Adjob AB means, what is the formula? AB IJ power T. This is the formula. Adjob AB AIJ power T. Adjob AB means AB IJ whole power T. What I told you? That right answer. 2 questions, no? This is AB. In first diagonal, 116. Interchange elements. 16 here. Next element is 1 minus 1 is no? Change sign. Here minus 1, here 17. That's all. The first answer. Look at that. Exactly minus 7. First diagonal. Interchange the elements. Next one, change sign only. Okay? Now, next is what? At B and G. Okay? Now, at B is what? At B is equal to Bij power T. Consider B. B is what? This one, you know? What is first angle? Minus 1, minus 2. Interchange. Here minus 2, here minus 1 will come. Next one, change sign. Minus 4, minus 1. This is at G. Again, at G is what? Aij power T. In A matrix, 2 minus is first sign, no? Interchange. Minus 6, 2. Here. Now change sign. Minus 3, minus 1. In this way, we will find at J directly. If 3 cross 3 means, because it's bracket, length calculation will come. If 2 cross 2 means, write the formula clearly, that way it answer. Now, what do you mean? Therefore, adjob B into adjob A equal to, adjob B is what? Minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, minus 1, into minus 6, minus 3, minus 1. Now, multiply, the same answer will come. Minus into minus plus, multiply, what is the answer? 12. Minus into minus plus, 1 4 4. Next, first to second column. 6 minus 8. Minus 6, minus 8. Am I correct? Here actually, adjob is what? Minus 2. Then again A is what? Adjob A. Minus 6, 2. Minus 1, minus 3. Now multiply both. We get the answer 60. The minus is coming. Here actually, this is 8 minus 6, that's why 2 will come. Am I right? 8 minus 6, 2 will come. Now interchange, automatically 1, 16. 16 will become. Here, change sign, your minus is coming. In this way, you want to verify the answer. Suppose both answers are not equal, mean something wrong, not question is wrong. The elements are now, whatever may be, the finals will be equal. Next multiply 6 plus 1. Am I right? Multiply both. Multiply both, here minus 7. If you say, what is plus 7? Next, 3 minus 1. Therefore, 16, 2, 7, 1. This is the second answer. Write the conclusion. Adjob AB equal to at B into at G. This will be equal. You want to prove? This will be equal. Very, very important. Here, in this diagram, you change sign only. Your minus 1, 2 means your plus 7, your minus 2 is coming. The same answer will come. That is the answer. Fifth question, if A equal to 2 minus 2, 2, 2, 3, 0, 9, 1, 5. Then show that at J into A equal to 0. At J into A equal to 0. Now this is a given matrix. First find at J, afterwards multiply adj with a, we get all elements of 0. The same question is equal. We get the answer is clearly given. Now, find adj, no? That's why write the formula for adj. What is the formula? Adj is equal to aij plus the. Now, what I told you? What is the most number? 3, 0, 2, 3. Next say, we want to know 1, 5, 9. Again, what is the most number here? Minus 2, 2, 2. Again, 3, 0, 2. There put some bracket. Okay. Now, class 28. Easy method for you. What I told you? 15 minus 0. Next say, 0 minus 10. Next say, 2 minus 27. Next say, 1 to sub 2. Formula having minus. What is equal? Minus 10. That is plus 10. Next say, 5 plus 10. Minus 18. Next say, 9 into minus 2. Minus 18. Following minus. 1 to sub 2. Sorry, here something wrong. First 1 to sub 2, correct. 5 into minus 1 plus 10. 5 to sub 10 minus 18. 9 into minus 2 minus 18 minus 5 20. Last one 0 here minus 6. Here 2 sub 4 minus 0. Last one 6 minus or minus, you know, minus 4 means plus 4 will come. 6 plus 4. The poverty is important. Am I right? Now simplify. 15, 12 minus 6, minus 10. 10 minus 8 minus 8. 4. Minus 25. Minus 20. 10. Poverty. Am I right? Now only change the first row is converted into first column. Next step. 12 minus 8 minus 20. The second row is converted to second column. Last one is third row is converted to third column. Now only adj is what? 15, 12 minus 6, minus 10 minus 8 4, minus 25 minus 20, last is 10 into a minus what? 2 minus 2 2. Next say 2 3 2 3 0 9 1 5. Now equal to first row previous idea. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. Then third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. In this way, we want to simplify one by one. 15 to solve. 15 to solve. And then say 30. 12 into 2, 24. 54. Next is what? Minus 50. Next say minus 30 plus 36 minus 6. Next say 30 minus 0 plus 0 minus 6. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column. In this way, next say second row first column minus 60 plus 80 36. Next say 20 minus 24 plus 4. Next say minus 20 plus 0 plus 20. Last minus 50 minus 40 plus 90. Next say minus 50 minus 60 plus 10. Actually, minus 45 into minus, you know, that is plus 50. Next step. Again, minus 15 plus 0 plus 50. Already told you, if you want to put equal to 0, no. So definitely, all elements 0. Understand? Simplify all. That is what? 0 minus 4. That is what? That is that. But A into A equal to, this is not 0. There is O matrix, there is an origin matrix or null matrix. null matrix. This is called matrix. The matrix is always denoted by capital letter, that is O. That is O matrix. That is the answer. If question is given, answer also given. Only simplification. To find the transpose of the matrix, that is your adj matrix, this method is easy for you. By using the first exercise, one by one, find the co-pattern minor. That is number lengthy calculation. But in first exercise, what is asking? Minor to co-pattern asking. That is the correct method. But here, adj only asking, that's it directly do this type of comparison, then only easy for you. One more method is that here plus, minus, plus, some signs are changed. So a lot of confusion will come. Here means write the elements clearly. You want the class multiply, afterwards simplify, take transpose, that is called adj. Then multiply by a, you get the answer 0. That is the answer.